Hey everyone, Joe Phillips here with Roz, and we are putting the final touches on a new course on PMP Illustrated. This is a course that I've created with Mike Griffiths, and Mike developed the course material and I'm teaching the content, and it's a complete walk through the PMP Exam Content Outline. Roz is very excited about it, as you can see. Right, Roz? No, maybe not too excited. But it's going to really help you have a clear insight on what you'll be tested on for your PMP exam. The course is nearly done, just putting the final touches on it, and it should go live here very soon. So I want you to keep moving forward, keep a positive mental attitude, encourage others to sign up for my courses, and tell them that if you can do it, they can do it. It's so true. All right, keep moving forward, and I'll see you all soon. Roz says bye. You all done? Yep, she's done. All right, bye.